how to use split screen in Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, this feature of split screen is also called snap layouts, and it's super helpful when you want to work with multiple apps side by side without constantly switching between windows. First, open the apps that you want to use. So I want to use Google Chrome and Word document. So now what you need to do is you need to take your mouse and then hover over the maximize minimize button at the top, and then you can see a pop-up with different layout options. So you can just simply choose the layout that you want, and then there you go. So you can even choose other layouts with 3 columns, 4 sections, and more depending on the screen size. So just click on one of the layout boxes and the current window will snap into another position. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.